Yo, what's good, chat? What's good? What's good? Happy Thursday, everybody. Market is going higher right now. It's been just going up, up, up. So, as much as, but no, wala. All right, here. So, we're getting a good volatility, chat. Yesterday, nag-retrace tayo into this bullish breaker. Right in here, we retrace in here, and then we had the news about Trump again, pausing tariff, and then possibly like acquiring Greenland. And what we had was a amazing move. Like after ng news event na yon, market just went up like insanely amount of points, especially on NQ. Wait lang. So, yun, meron tayong news about Trump, like PM session about Greenland, working. So, meron tayong news in here, like saying Greenland is not going to sell on Trump. And then all of a sudden, meron tayong news in here na magpo-pause ng tariff yung si Trump on Europe or something. And then somehow, yeah, it pushed the market higher. And I think we might actually be possibly going into this level. Possibly this week, and we're expanding on a daily time frame. We're getting a good volatility. So to me, this looks like an environment wherein I should be trading micros and holding to positions longer. But yeah, we'll see. I'm not sure if I should like trade basic like I always do, but it seems like we're getting a good volatility. Like we're in this range of I think we are in this 200-point range already. So mahirap magkaroon ng tight stop. It's high risk, high reward, like if you have a tight stop and you make 50 points, then you have 1 minute, it's obviously more profit, but it's more room for error, or mas prone to error compared to like trading micro with a wide stop. So we'll see what's gonna happen. So far we had a what? We had a GDP, I believe. We had GDP earlier, and then we have core PCE price index later at 10 o'clock. So usually in my experience, 8:30, kapag merong news ng 8:30 tsaka 9 o'clock or 9:30 open and then 10 o'clock, usually kapag nag-manipulate ng 10:30, 10 o'clock is gonna distribute. I'm not sure if we're gonna have that. Possibly, we can just straight up go to the upside. Like from here, let's say mag-distribute tayo because we had like the news event from 8:30. We might just distribute higher at 9:30 o'clock and, not go onto discounts anymore, which is a bit tricky because, we like to be trading like the discounts. And I feel like we're at a premium right now, but when the market is trending, it won't have a huge retracement. So if I was not green, like if I wasn't red on the wick, I would probably enter here pre-market and ride it at market open. Pero since I am red, I wanted more information, more conviction rather than anticipating no more pullbacks. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Hopefully we get the gap fill as well on the ES today. We open, all right, gap fill. We get the gap fill on the ES. What about YM? YM, I feel like YM can easily trade up here. It has a good structure right now, chat. YM has a good structure to the upside. Hindi rin siya nagkaroon ng deeper retracement as compared to NQ and ES. Question po, gaano katagal malaman strategy na gamit niya as fit? I would say 1 to 2 years. I just stick to it, and just refine my strategy over time. Grabe, ang lamig. Ang lamig today, chat. Like, lumabas ako kanina, it's so cold. I'm just waiting right now. I feel like NQ can definitely deliver to this upside this week. It's just, how many points away. 400, this is like 1.64% away from this target. So hopefully we eventually get to a level where we're gonna trend a daily time frame. I like to see daily time frame to start to become good. It's been absolutely nothing but dog shit lately sa NQ. As you can probably see here, we're just consolidating this high or this monthly candle, right? We're inside this monthly candle from December, and we're still like trading on it. Like essentially sa monthly time frame, nasa inside bar pa rin tayo, which is why January is very hard because of these inside candles. It's hard to trade inside candles where they're not breaking previous days high and low. So yeah, chat, let's just wait for this market to open, and maybe, just maybe, this is the top. Oh, this is the bottom, you know. Especially we had the news already that drops down earlier down here and then chop. It's hard to trade this 1 minute. Like if you look at the 1 minute, it's difficult to trade the 1 minute, and I think it's just better to focus on higher time frames and have a wide stop. What's up? What's up, guys? Good evening. Good evening. So we're gonna wait. We're gonna wait, chat. Actually, I was thinking earlier, should I stream? Wala akong tulog today. Sa whoop ko, my sleep is like 4 hours and 23 minutes, and after that, I did go to the gym. Kaninang umaga, I did go to the gym and with 4 hours of sleep, and I was thinking maybe I should like pause on streaming, but nakakuha ko ng power nap earlier around 4. I slept for 1 hour, so somehow it gave me a bit of energy, you know. So nag-decide ako mag-stream despite the losing streak and despite not having enough sleep. But hopefully I can perform the way I wanted to. But really, to be honest, like I'm just ready to... These accounts, in my mind, na-blow ko na sila. I don't care anymore what's gonna happen on these accounts. I have 1/6 of drawdown. In my mind, these accounts are blown. If ma-blown ko sila, it is what it is. I'm just ready to start over again and trade 50k account instead. Magte-trade na lang ako ng 50k account pag na-blow ko tong lahat ng 20 account na to. And yeah, I'm happy to start with 50k account na 20. So maybe hopefully we get some good discount with Apex, which I don't think it's gonna happen, but maybe a miracle might happen. It's a bit expensive for me to trade like 20 accounts and start being aggressive with that pricing, you know, $35. It's a bit expensive. But yeah, hopefully we get some good discounts after this one. Kahit sa 50k account lang, and I'm gonna restart and get 50ks. Saan ka nag-gym? Gym tayo minsan? Yeah, sure. Nag-gym ako sa tapat ng AUF. Dun sa tapat ng AUF sa taas. Umaga though, I do gym like in the morning, like 10 o'clock. Tapos hanggang 11:30 ganyan, 11:45. Then I would go home, tas work. Oh man. Natok na ako, shit. Oh man. Epidemic. Parang kailangan ko ng kape, lab. Kailangan ko ng kape, feel ko. Ano? Inumin ko nga. Nantok na ako. Sounds tayo ng something chill. Ano, nakakaantok lalo pag nagpapasounds ako? What's up, Ron? Let's get better trades today. I don't know. My confidence is at all-time low. I would say, like, if there's a scale of how confident I am, this being the highest percentage, yung confidence ko right now, it's here. I'm just ready to, you know, start a new month, start a fresh account, and start to base it. But yeah, we'll see. Maybe I get something today. Maybe not. EDM para magising? What is EDM? EDM. Yeah, sige. Like it. I like it. Baby talk, Nejo. Sino si Yuri? What do you mean baby talk? Who are you, my friend? Smoke ka daw, Lods. Yeah, may nagsabi, like, mag-smoke daw ako marijuana para ma-relax ako. shoulder and boulders. SNB. What do you mean? Hindi ko alam anong pangalan nun, but tapat siya ng AUF, yung hospital. Dun sa taas. Ano? Elite daw. Sabi ng girlfriend ko. It's called Elite, so... Nahit ko na yung ano ko. Bibili ako kanina. Iniisip ko, bili kaya ng SB. Kaso chat, I already hit my like carbs for today. Like, calories pala. Calories. Tama ba? Calories? Yeah, I already hit my calories. Calories of 2,100 today. Tapos naka ano na ako. 149 of protein. Yan. Yan. Ano na lang yung natitira sa akin? 49 calories na pwede kong i-take. But in my opinion, na-hit ko na. I think meron akong di nalagay. Tapos na-hit ko na yung 150 protein. 149 actually. Kulang pa ako ng 1. You know what? Kain ako ng ano, Nestle. I'll be back. Nestle. Nakakayip pala yung kantang to. Thank you for the suggestion, EDM. Ano to? 92 calories. Meron siyang 3 protein. Saan ka sa Pampanga? Sa Angeles City. Ito pinapatugtog mo? Parang ano siya lang, no? Mala chain smoker. Gusto kong chain, yung mga ganong kanta kaso makaka-copyright ako sa Facebook, ay sa YouTube. Pwede bang ano, i-turn up ko na lang yung monetization tapos hindi ako makaka-copyright? No, minsan ganun gawin ko. Turn up ko na lang yung ads tas para makapagpa-sounds tayo ng mga lit na songs. Alright. Like I said, possible na hindi tayo chat. Possible na hindi tayo mag-retrace. We might just straight push up, you know. We're sitting at the 5-minute VG. I can see a world we're in. Mag-push lang to higher, especially it's forming a good structure down here. Ito yung mahirap kapag nagtitrend na yung market. Usually, they will not give you those deeper pullbacks anymore. If you look at this, right, nagtrend tayo. We trend in here. Nagkaroon tayo ng retracement, but it did not go all the way down sa 50%. So, we might have the same situation, you know. Baka mag-push lang to. 16 seconds, we're gonna find out. Market is open, market is dumping, it did not push higher. So we're gonna see what's gonna happen. I'm gonna put some kind of regular trading hour gap just to see. The gap between market open and then market close. All right, there we go. We got the traded. So, tinake out natin yung news low, I believe. YM is pushing higher right now while the NQ is dumping. YM is pushing higher. I feel like YM can just be a buy and close your eyes. Bili ka ng eval, you know, buy and close your eyes on YM. Buy and close your eyes, my friends. On YM. Good luck, chat. Good luck to everybody. Grabe, YM is still going higher. YM is still pushing, everybody. Meanwhile, Nasdaq is dumping. We got a short-term low right here. ES is pushing higher. And YM is pushing higher. I think YM is about to go to all-time high. YM has been in a nice structure. Equal high right now. As potential draw later on. Lamig. Oh, wait lang. Hanap lang ako ng kumot. Okay, kanina. Sinasabihan na kita.
Ulit tayo ng parking.
Hindi tayo. May parking pa dun sa kabila eh. Alright! Nakaano na ako, pajama! Pajama. Fun fact, chat. Di ako nagpapajama before, but it's actually a hack. It helps you, like, sleep well kapag sleepwear. Kung di kayo nagpapajama, buy one. Especially, yung nabili ko sa Thailand are a bit expensive. Like, ano kasing pangalan nun? Tag 1.5 isang set, 1,500 pesos. But, it's very nice sa skin. Sobrang luwag. We're trading into the half of the gap. Half of the gap, chat. Half of the gap is where we're trading. We also have a bullish breaker again in here. Actually, this is not a bullish breaker. It's more of a mitigation. So, wala tayong low na tinake out. So, today ba raffle? What time? It's gonna be until Friday. Tomorrow, chat. Tomorrow. Thank you for reminding me. Buta ni-remind mo ako. If you haven't yet, chat. If you haven't yet on my Discord, you can join a giveaway. All you have to do is... all you have to do, chat. Dito sa section ko sa testimonial, if I made some kind of any impact in your journey, just write something in here, post your payout, post your certificate. Yeah. You will be drawn into account giveaway. Shorted agad, may SMT, M5, TP siguro FBG lang. Alright, good luck to you, my friend. Good luck, good luck. Hope you guys all made some money today. We'll make some money. We got the first presented for value gap right now. Nice inversion on this 930 FVG. Nice inversion. I might start to look for longs here if given the opportunity. Want to see it retrace a bit. 930 FVG. Technically, this is already a valid long in this FVG, but I want a tighter stop. I want to see it like form a candle below here, tapos ibabay ko yung dip ng candle. Yan. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Tapos mag-trade siya below this. If it closes, trade below this, I'm gonna see if I can buy that. Just a tight stop and see if I can, you know, possibly make it happen. This is already a valid long. The moment it inverts, possible na tong valid long na to, and then stop can be placed here, but yeah, we'll see. I want to see how this closes. Oh shit, nasa micro ko, mali my friend. Okay, miss it. Should have bought it on the first stop instead. Should have bought it on the first stop instead of waiting for more retracement in here. Gusto ko sana ito, mag-close siya, tapos bili ako dito, then put a tight stop, you know. But should have bought in here. Did not. It did not, you know, do its job anymore. Fortunately, ES is pushing higher, YM is still pushing, dollar is pushing lower. Gonna wait. Ayaw nang i-take ito because we already traded above and then drop below. So medyo mag-aalangan na ako dito sa buys dito because we're rejecting from this level. So I'm gonna wait a bit. We also have news at 10 o'clock. This is already a good model to be longing, to be honest. Like, we topped at 15 minutes. We inverted in here. This could be a possible buys, target this highs. Just giving it a bit more time, but technically this is a valid model. Inverse at 9:30 after we top into this 15 minutes of VG. We're trading into a 5 minutes of bearish for value gap, which is also inverted. I don't want to use this as a, you know, short setup because hindi naman tayo nag-shift eh. We didn't really shift in structure. Actually, we shift here, but we didn't really break this intermediate term low. $15 minutes closure is gonna be important to see as well. What's your thoughts, chat? Paano mo alis ang fear sa trailing drawdown? Size down and trail your stop. Size down and trail your stop. That's how you remove the fear of trailing drawdown. Mag-size down ka, tapos mag-trail ka ng stop as it goes in your favor. Two minutes. This first 15 minutes candle is gonna close. Awake. But di ka pa nag-long? Yeah, I'm waiting for the news. Mas nagiging picky din ako with my trade kasi nasa drawdown ako. But honestly, I don't care anymore what's gonna happen sa mga account na to. I might just blow them, you know. Baka mablow ko na sila. And at that point, maghihintay ako ng good sale. I'll buy 20-50k and mag-start ako with 50k. So to be honest, if I'm trading the 50k, umabot ako ng 155k balance, I would have gotten a payout with 50k already. Right? That is 5k profit on 50k account. If 50k yung tinitrade ko. I could have taken 20 account payouts already, but since 150k ang tinitrade ko, mataas yung kailangan ko na profit target. So, hindi ko pa na-request yung payout and I'm about to blow them, which sucks. Nakakatuwa kasi many in the community are starting to get a payout with Apex. Like, I'm getting DMs na first payout nila. Because, you know, it's hard. Trading is hard. So it's nice to see some people are finding success with their trading already. Some of you guys have known like futures because of my stream. And it makes my heart happy when I see you guys kill it as well sa futures. I hope, you know, I can change lives someday. I hope yung success na na-achieve ko with prop firm, you guys will also experience it. Bro, na-approve yung first payout ko dahil sa basic natutunan ko sa'yo. Let's go! Love to see it, man. Love to see it. It's easy to underestimate basic, but for some, you know, it can compound quickly. Plus, it allows you to hold the account longer, right? Yung code road po ba for 1 month lang po? It's 80% off initial month tapos 50% recurring month. So what you have to do kapag bumili ka ng account using my code, make sure you cancel the subscription para hindi ka mabill next month. Bili ka na lang ng bagong account. That's the cheat code. Don't let your account, wag mo hayaan na mabill ka ng 1 month. Don't get rebuild, essentially. Basta make sure mo lang na ipasa mo yung account or blow mo siya within a month. Alright, we did trade sa 50%. We just traded sa 50%. Maybe for one of those days na you should just focus on OTE. Are you guys trading OTE? Nagtitrade ba kayo ng optimal trade entry? What do you guys think about optimal trade entry? Kapag nag-work ang OTE from here, optimal trade entry, right? Retrace dito, then trade up to 0.27. Maybe it's one of those days na OTE entry and then target extension. We're trending actually, so maybe it's a good idea, maybe it's not. What do you guys think? Is this bearish now? Is this bullish? How do you guys feel about the market overall? We might trade all the way down as well dito sa annual low. Just a possibility. We got London low. We're melting to the downside right now. What's happening? What's happening? We're melting to the downside. We traded at midnight open. Turo kasi ng iba sa amin 1 to 3 hour daw, pero nagsimula ako 1:1 ang bilis lang. Yeah, 1:1 will allow you to make some profit in a way na very consistent, plus more easier to handle mentally because of potential losing streak that you might get. Wow. Why am just melt? Why am just melt, chat? Ba't pumangit yung sounds? Why does it? There you go. Two to one. Auto lock in sa account. Good luck. Good luck. Bernie, good morning. Morning, guys. Hope you're doing well. There you go. News in 10 minutes. News in 10. I'm gonna wait for the news. There it go. Traded tayo sa midnight open. Getting a good volatility. One is to one RR mostly, yeah, but on average I would have like 1:1.5, 1:1.8 kapag in-average out mo lahat ng trade na tinitake ko. I only do 1:1 mostly kapag nasa trailing drawdown ako. Once I'm away from trailing drawdown, I will start to hold on trades more. There it go. What time frame are you playing? Right now it's 15 minutes. But I'm not executing on this right now. I'm waiting for the news. I'm waiting for the news to arrive. do, 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 do. Lamig. Pangit na to. Pangit na kantang to. I don't like it. Lapit na news, guys. Lapit na news. 3 more minutes. I'm green lighted to trade. Green light to trade in 3 minutes. We put on a good SMT right now between ES and NQ. We have a SMT right now. Two more minutes, guys. 2 more minutes. The news is gonna come. Still going. Meron tayo 1 hour BPR in here, no? BPR. We also like N-Dog high, London low to think about. We might put a good SMT and a higher time frame between these lows and this low. Key level to watch to be watching. Yeah, now 1 minute. Might trade micros just because we're moving a lot. There is the news. It's getting volatile right now. It's dumping. The news is dropping. Oh. Parang yung mga party pang rave pag DBM, no? DBM ba? Tama? EDM. Pang rave party yung mga songs. Nagda-dry labi ko. Dan, 60 points from the day. Let's go. Let's go, guys. I just need a win day. Honestly, I've been in a 4-day losing streak. Oh, 3-day. Actually, 4. Even Friday yata talo ako. So, 4 days. Hindi, Monday ba talo ako? Di ba sure kung... Hindi, Monday I didn't trade. 3-day losing streak. So, 3-day losing streak, yeah. Not 4. Oh man, my back hurts. Stream. Just not good price action right now in terms of 1 minute. So I'm not doing anything yet. I'm going long, okay. Where are you putting your stop, Bernie? Where's the stop? You can buy now. 10 points lang. Okay. Will you wait for HLO then longs? I don't know yet. To be honest, this is a valid long. If you have a wider stop, you can long here and like anticipate more higher prices. Yeah, cool. Just the fact that possible tayong mag-sweep ng London low. We don't know that. I don't know it. We can put an SMT between ES and NQ between these lows. Hindi ko alam. We might do it on YM, right? We might do an SMT with YM. So far, the trend is bullish, for sure. Pero hindi ko sure if magsuswip siya ng short-term low. That's why I'm waiting. Wala akong highest conviction. Gusto ko yung draw on the upside, but in terms of like which liquidity pool will be taken first before it's gonna go up, I'm not sure. That's why I'm trying to watch all these indices, see if kung saan merong reaction, like, you know, a sweep and then a sudden displacement. So far, we didn't have any sudden displacement to the upside after the news event. We're just consolidating after the news, so I'm not doing anything yet. I'm waiting. I'm waiting if we can see possibly like maybe the NQ will touch this London low, maybe ES will not, and then we get a good displacement. If we get some kind of sweep and then a good displacement, then yeah, I'm open to longs. I'm not open to short either. I want to see what happened if we take out this news high. If we traded above here, do we just displace lower again? If so, we might target the London low. I'm waiting to see like this. To me, on this bearish liquidity pools, like this buy sides, ito yung mga liquidity pool for me that market can take out first if we are going to continue lower. Waiting for NQ to drop more and make significant SMT. Yeah, true. I agree with you. It's a valid thesis. You wait for it to drop more and put strong SMT or a good displacement. I feel like a continuation should have some kind of displacement. Right now we did retrace. Waiting to see what's gonna happen if we take out this news high. If we take out the news high and then start to displace lower, then I might take a short. Maybe NDOG high and NDOG low and also London low. Chat, last day of Apex sale today, right? Is it last day? Is it last day of Apex sale today? Let's see. Yeah, it is. 13 hours. If you want to grab some accounts, make sure you use my code. Code drone, baby. Help me get my... Help me get back my money, chat. I've been losing money. Do, do, do. Eventually, the price is gonna get better. Right now, it's not doing anything, so I'd rather sit on the sideline. On fire tong mga kantang to ah. Yan ako nga, i-save ko nga. Like. Kapag nagugustuhan ko yung mga kanta, I'll save them. So I'll use them next time. Long soon, wala nang volume. It's actually decent. Decent. It's actually decent on 15. 1 minute looks dog shit right now. Possible tayo mag-trade in here. We didn't really put a wick in here. No wick candle. Sir, mas less ang slippage sa mini compared sa micro. Yeah, I would say mas less ang slippage sa mini compared sa micro. Because I think generally, mini has more volume. Mas napapansin ko yung mini na perfect yung feel compared sa micro. Oh man, what's gonna happen?
Stand up if you ready. Hands up if you ready. Say it loud if you ready. This our time, we run it. Clap your hands if you ready. Stomp your feet if you ready. Oh yeah, let it be cause you ready. This our time, we run it. Back on top feeling great. Back on top in the ranks. One shit one, number one, not the mother ones. Other ones feel fake. This our time, we run it. This our side, we on it. This our grind and we want it. Did it and done it, can't outrun it. Stand up if you ready. Hands up if you ready. Say it loud if you ready. This our time, we run it. Clap your hands if you ready. Stomp your feet if you ready. Let it be cause you ready. This our time, we coming. I can
Pero sa micro ka nag-execute, it depends. It depends on how wide my stop is. Kapag yung risk ko kaya sa mini, I would go for mini. If hindi siya kaya sa mini, like in terms of the dollar amount, I would go for micro.
Set free cause I can. Who these mini me's think I am? Why they envy me? Post threat on me but can't beat me when I'm on 10. Got me stuck on glue. I was stuck on you. ES ring, I went top speed. I've been top one in the booth. Put the game on snooze. Blessed like I choose. Doubted me, they outed me. Now I'm sitting here like proof. Now roll it steady.
Ano sinisingot niya para di makatulog?
Told you in who ready, we been ready. Stand up if you ready. Hands up if you ready. Say it loud if you ready. This all time we run it. Clap your hands if you ready. Stomp your feet if you ready. Let it be cause you ready. This all time we run it. Say it loud if you ready. Clap your hands if you ready.
15, a new 15-minute candle just opened. We just created a bearish 15-minute gap up here. If we inverse this, especially if we trade all the way up here, we can possibly easily trade above here. We did top this 15-minute gap. Not sure if we're gonna top this news high. I believe we topped the 15-minute, right? Hindi ko makita because yeah, we did tap it. Blue kasi yung kill zones ko. Indicator of New York session, tas blue din tong candlesticks. Wait lang, chat. Kailangan ko yung power ni Naruto. Naruto, I need you. Oh, we're dumping, huh? Did not even take the news high. I'm gonna see what other markets are doing right now. Wow. Go to stay. USD CHF. I feel like it's gonna go all the way down here. Like front line and swing. I feel like this can be a swing for tomorrow. For our gap. Light stop. USD CHF. I think this is gonna happen tomorrow. Overnight session. We're gonna dump. Monthly time frame looks very bearish. Swing high. Monthly for value gap. Swing high. Kaya din ang wick dito. Crazy range, chat. Crazy range. I'm not gonna be trading this. It just not worth it. Pag nag-withdraw kayo ng profit, sinasagad nyo, I would always suggest take the full payout. Realize it, baby. Make it real. Make the payout real. Each time you can get a chance to get a payout, do it. Make it real. Realize the profits. Nagtap ulit tayo sa 15-minute gap. 15-minute, we tap into 15-minute gap habang ES took the news high. I'm not gonna be surprised if we get some kind of triple top in here. Right? Pwedeng hindi na natin i-take out to and we drop. If we trade above here, I'm gonna sit on the sideline. We tap into 15-minute gap. If we, there you go. It traded above, take out the news high. So both ES and NQ already took out its highs. Possible ba maban ng second prop firm? Anything is possible. But what are they gonna do? Ibaban nila yung website? Then you can just use VPS, right? Not gonna be surprised if one day they said, hey, prop firms are not allowed. Anyone who's promoting them is not allowed. If that happens, I'm gonna be out on YouTube, chat. I will no longer be in YouTube. Pag binan nila ang prop firm and they said it's not allowed for influencers or YouTuber to promote prop firms, I will get out of YouTube. Maybe out of Philippines. Gonna be in Thailand, Bali. Get a ID there para din makapag-trade ako ng ibang prop. Money talks. I think you can easily get an ID from other countries. Tapos dun ka tumira. You don't get tax. The trend overall is bullish. It's a bit hard to short here. Knowing in a bigger picture, we are bullish. They banned Binance, right? Yeah. They banned Binance. But if they're going to ban prop firms, they have to ban every prop firm, right? Not just a single prop. Oh, what a drop. What a drop right there. Big drop. So, matuto mag-trade ng 15 seconds. I want to know what it's like to be trading 15 seconds. Do. Yo, tongan lang to. Ban website, meron nga. Ban website, meron nga ako app and can still use it. Yeah, I think they can't really like do anything in terms of like make it unusable. They can just ban the website, but in terms of like banning it like completely not usable, I don't think they can do it. They can just ban the website and you can still use the app and the VPS, you know, and can still use it generally. First time here, boss. Sana matuto sa'yo. Oh, let's go. Click the subs. Click the subs. Click the like. $10:30 na. New 15-minute candle will form. We're in this big range right now. Big consolidation range. 60 points. Ron, my brother, my best friend. Who are you, mate? Like, do I know you in person? Bossing, palakasan audio. Okay, ayan. Ayan na. Hopefully it's good now. Medyo malakas kasi yung ano ko sounds. Boss, may mga meetup ka? I met someone dito sa Pampanga, but I don't do like bulk meetups. It came into my mind back then, but you know, life got busy. Maybe in the future I'll do it, but not right now. No, sir, you're a good person. I respect. Yeah, thanks. Appreciate that. I'm not perfect though. I am constantly making mistakes. I'm still in the process of, you know, continuous growth and improvement. Ganda ng structure ng YM. 1 hour wise. Good displacement. Good structure. Compared to what we had in the past. Right? Just straight consolidation range. Now on this right side of the curve, we're in this bullish momentum. Bullish for value gaps being respected. On hourly time frame wise. Na-meet mo na si Ruby once sa Apex event. Ganda rin ang anong to. Push the limit, break the chain. Distribution phase na. We'll definitely pay a visit on my next visit on the Philippines. Where are you from? Where are you from? Push it higher. Market is pushing and the song is saying push it higher. We're gonna close above this. I feel like YM is more good on the upside compared to other indices. It has a good 1 hour. It put a good low sa 1 hour. Itong YM. Push it higher. See, it's on phone.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive.
Do 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 do.
Tonight I'm gonna feel alive.
La la. Definitely getting interesting up here. Talk ba ka? Yeah. Okay, we're getting a good price action right now. I want to see a structure to form here. If magkaroon tayo ng some kind of bullish, bearish structure, good SMT, I would try to short this. I'm anticipating that tong gap na to is gonna close way below, but we'll see. Could be wrong. Might just continue to go up. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. Oh man. I need to stretch. Stretch my boy. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Meron tayo ng first 5-minute FVG. This is the first 5-minute FVG since we opened. Down here. It's gonna be crucial how we close on this 15-minute. La 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 la. California, let's go. Are you Filipino? Are you American? What race are you? See you guys. See you guys next. Good luck. All right, Bernie, have a great day, my friend. Do 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 do. The 5-minute gap. Do 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 do. Sir sa May 9, meron traders pair. Punta kayo? No, I'm not. Filipino just migrated here 26 years ago. Wow, nice. Bernie has the same poi as me. TP'd. Let's go. GG, guys. GG. Personally, I wouldn't have the mental bandwidth to hold into that. But if you have like stop of 60, that means you bag maybe 1:1.2, 1:1.3. So GG. Up here, like 1:1.5. I believe it was somewhere here where Bernie said he's gonna take a long. Yes, it's not gonna close above the 15 minutes, looks like. NQ is going to close. Shout out to you, Justin, from Montreal. Done for the day. I'll take my 318. Nakaka-stress tong PA recently. Let's go, guys. You guys are killing it. Keep killing it, guys. Keep killing it. Keep making money. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Kumusta kaya yung kuya ko? Sometimes he would just message me. He's gonna say, I caught the longs, I caught the short. Feel ko di siya nag-trade today. He was telling me yesterday, nilalagnat siya. Like, I was talking to him like last Tuesday. He said, I lost. He said, I lost. I was targeting the Asia and London. So, on this day, I think, yeah, on this day, he was trying to long. He said he's gonna target this. And I told him yesterday, did you caught the longs? He said, no, I am sick. I did not trade. We're just grinding up, huh? Close above the 15-minute gap. We did not retrace into this 5 minutes FBG. ES did. ES did retrace 5 minute. We also close above. So everything is bullish right now. Across all time frames, it's all aligning. Let's see. I do not feel comfortable long, like taking a basic trade in this environment. I was hoping we can get some good displacement, you know, before we push higher. Like this displacement was just followed by a fall through to the downside. So this move up, I wasn't really comfortable like longing here either, because we're in stock in a range until we weren't. I wanted to see some kind of good displacement as clear manipulation, maybe trade into this end dog. We were so close. We were so close dito sa end dog. Is it right though? Yeah, we're so close in here. We got so many gaps. That's the issue. This is what I don't like. Pag sobrang daming gap to work with, it's just gonna make you analysis paralysis. Why, to me, this is the most recent one. Ito yung opening gap today that I was hoping that we could get. Yeah, when our BPR delivered, especially on the YM, I think YM is gonna trade all the way to external in my opinion. We might even go to here, you know, all-time high on the YM. Trump said yesterday, we're gonna go to 50K daw kay Nasdaq. We're gonna double the stock market. We're gonna go to 50K, he said. He said that, chat, sa speech niya. We're gonna go to 50K. Imagine a world where nasa 50K tayo and we're trading like 500 points intraday. Just imagine a world, chat, where we're trading 50K sa Nasdaq and ang move ng Nasdaq is 300 points per session, 400 points. Actually, we're already there. What if it's gonna be 1K? Right now, we're trading 200 point ranges. What if we trade 1K a day? Imagine 1K per day. Ano strat na kuya mo? Is trading. I'm trying to help you guys, but it's okay. Sometimes we are winning, sometimes we are losing. Okay, okay. Yeah, I suck at trading. He's using ICT. He got his first payout after 4 months of trading. Ilan leverage ko? What do you mean? I think that's the wrong question. I trade prop firms. So there's no such thing as ilan ang leverage. Maybe like 1:100 if you're talking about like CFD. But I don't use the full leverage. What are you trading now? I'm trading NQ. Haven't placed a trade in my prop account yet. Still sitting on the sideline. Not doing anything yet. I want to see volatility to pick up a bit. All right, we're pushing, huh? We're pushing sa downside. We're trading into a 5-minute gap, which is gonna be crucial level to watch. Crucial level to watch on INQ. Traded on the upper level and then push higher. This was a good retracement for 10 points. Good retracement. Like, yeah, this is a good base it. To the T almost. I'm gonna put an SMT in here. Sir, pwede pa piyaw ng trailing drawdown? Sure. You take a buy here, your stop loss is here, risk mo $500 or risk mo $500. TP mo $500. If price goes here, unrealized mo to $50. If it goes all the way to your stop, ang total loss mo $750. Kasama ang unrealized profit mo sa loss mo. Let's say it goes to 250. Nag-close ka for break even. Ang balance mo the same. Pero ang overall drawdown mo na nabukasan ng 250. That's how it works. Another example. Risk mo 1,000, right? Take profit mo 2,000. Take profit mo here. Price goes all the way up here. This is 1,800 profit unrealized kasi dito yung final target mo. If it goes all the way down in here, 1,000 plus 1,000, talo ka ng 2,800. Mabublow yung account mo. If it trades here, trade all the way down, your account is blown. So, the way to combat that is, as price goes in your favor, you should trail your stop. Trail your profit. Habang umaangat siya papunta sa favor mo, make sure na yung stop loss mo, ina-adjust mo. Ina-adjust mo siya into profit. Adjust here, adjust here, adjust here, adjust here, adjust here. As the market goes in your favor. That's why it's hard. You need to be precise and you don't want trades na retracing a lot. One way to also combat it is size down. Size down and be consistent. Gold sells to 77? I don't know. I don't look at gold. I'm looking at NQ. I'm not trading gold right now. Good. It's this high. We inverted this gap during macro. Problema lang dito, if you're gonna take a short, it's a counter trend. It's a counter trend idea. It's gonna be a bit hard, especially with the 5-minute gap still holding. 30 seconds. Ang level na to. Thank you, sir. Matindi pala yan. Ang ganda na explanation mo. Yeah, you're welcome. It's tough. It's tough to trade with the trailing drawdown. That's why you have to be precise. Or you need to be consistent, tas mag-size down ka so you won't feel it. Kasi retracement are not going to kill you kung hindi ka nag-over-leverage. If you're over-leverage, it's gonna kill your account quickly. Easily, quickly. You're gonna dry down for sure. I got an OB up here. What does this look like? 28 points. 28 points. Break even here. So itong setup na to, if you can get this setup, I'm happy to put on the risk. Kahit na counter trend siya. Gusto ko to. I like this. 𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤 high. I'm gonna sell in here. Just one and done lang ako today. Let's see if I can get a fill. I like to target this 𝙤𝙤 high. Let's mag-break even all once we take out this low. Do 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 do. $11 candle is gonna open. Ang possibility ko na nakikita ko dito that I could get stop out is we might trade all the way up dito sa bearish 1 hour for value gap and then trade lower, right? Kasi 1 hour opens, we might manipulate to the upside one more time before we drop, taking my stop, taking this. Yeah, oh my god, what an idiot, bro. What an idiot. Look at that, chat. Look at that. Wow, bro. Wow. Amazing. Oh my god, that's amazing. So amazing of you. I can see a world as well now I'm not gonna get filled anymore and this is gonna go down. Wow, my friend. You are a truly and absolute beauty. Grabe. Did not fail me, huh? Did not fail me. Do 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 do. Now I'm a bit hesitant on this. I might just do a base hit in here instead. Might just do 40. Oy. I might just do in here, sell here, just do 10 points instead of a good big trade, you know? Let's see if I'm gonna get stopped. This 11 o'clock candle might get in trouble. This 11 o'clock candle, chat. Same trade, but I'm switching to base it, thinking that this should just go to this downside after taking this high. Should respect it, really. Might get stopped. I have a tighter stop now. Not looking good. Not looking good, to be honest. Like, this is no longer a high probability like scalp anymore. Just gonna hold into it, hold into the risk, accept the fact that I could be wrong, I could be right. Whichever is the outcome, I just have to take it like a man and move on. Take it like a man and move on. That's all I can do. Kung ilalagay ko dito yung stop ko above this high, it's gonna be like 15-point stop. Just gonna be a lot for a basic trade. Especially just a 10-point move. Yeah, let's see. If we break up below this low, I'm gonna put my stop to break even. Yep, there you go. Nice. Yeah, I need to stick with basic for the meantime and call it a day here. I just need the 10-point, really, 10-pointer. I still do believe we're gonna trade all the way down here and NWOG, but I just need my 10 points. After not being filled, right there, it can easily make me tilt, chat. Right? That is just it's a negative RR, but it does the job, you know. Just wanna stack some basic and get that confidence back. That's a bit annoying for sure, like not getting filled right there. It's gonna make me tilt. Tas umabot siya hanggang take profit ko. Yeah, that's gonna suck a lot. But yeah, that's my one and done trade today. So let's see, no? I like this. I like this idea. It's just that I did not get filled. I don't want to engage again after almost not getting filled. I like the idea na we will trade all the way down dito sa end dog high, which is the gap from today, right? This is the gap from today. Ito yung market open. Ito yung market close. So I treat this as same as for value gap. We never revisited this yet during the New York session, right? I think there's a possibility that we will trade here given the fact na we left this low right here, which is the sell side liquidity pool. Possibly we can trade all the way down. But again, we have a bearish for value gap as well in here, right? We're moving a lot. Market is moving a lot. It's good. It's best to have a stop wherein it's wide. I can see a world where we might just stop into this bearish for value gap, fill the inefficiency, and we trade all the way down to this end dog and then continue higher. But yeah, I'm just getting that basic. I'm calling it a day here. I'm not going to trade further on this account. I just need that one-day win and just slowly grind the account. Essentially, I just wanna, you know, quickly or slowly grind this account back, see if I can make it. If not, I'll just restart. So thank you, chat. I'm gonna end the stream here. I'm not going to trade for the rest of the day. After having a consecutive red days, you know, all I want is a green day and take it one day at a time. And yeah, it's good to get that confidence back and yeah, get confident eventually. So yeah, I'll call it a day here. Not a big win. 8K, I think. 8K, yeah, 8K USD. Still in the red this week by a lot. So yeah, see you, chat, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Before you forget, I'm going to do a giveaway. So if you're not joined my Discord, people are killing it, like Paeng is always showing his analysis and other community. So make sure you join my Discord. And if in any way I did impact your trading journey, just post your payout here. Just say, short a message, how did I impact your trading journey? And yeah, I'm going to do a giveaway tomorrow. I'm gonna give 3 accounts, Apex accounts, any size you want. So I'm just gonna draw it from this section. So tomorrow, that is for tomorrow. So don't forget, click the like, click the subs, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. If you want to support my channel, chat, use the code down below in the description when you buy an Apex account. Right now, it's 80% off. It is the last day of the sale. So peace out, everybody.